Hello friends, my name is Victoria Krzywinska and I'm a founder of B-School Space, and I would like to invite you to a workshop which I have decided to call Online Business as a Garden of Your Soul. And this workshop is for teachers, healers, energy practitioners, or anyone who would like to be presented online and to have the online presence with a web page, course platform, and email marketing. And I created my first workshop I think 7 years ago, and since then I've been running my school, I've been sharing my wisdom and knowledge with people online, and it was not always easy because I didn't know the technical peculiarities of how to create all these things, and I had an idea that I probably should hire someone to create a web page for me or to help me to set everything up. But the thing is that when you are running your own course, your own program or your own school, you are constantly creating new things. It's not that you have created it once and then put it aside. No, you are constantly creating new things, you are constantly developing, you are constantly moving forward and growing and expanding. And for that reason, your web page has to be your garden where you like hanging out, where you enjoy seeing how it blooms, where you enjoy adding new bits and pieces, where you enjoy sharing your love and wisdom and text and images or whatever it is that you are sharing. And I would like to invite you to this workshop where I will show you how easy it can be for you to create your own web page without any special coding systems, but also for you to start creating your courses and putting them together in a beautiful and nice way, and also for you to craft amazing emails so that they are catchy and they are recognizable, and they are bringing and delivering your soul message. And this is what it's all about. You want to share your love with your clients, with your students, with those who are attracted to you energetically, and this is all what we're going to be talking about. There are many different platforms. I'm going to share which I use. They are Squarespace for web page, Teachable for the course platform, and ActiveCampaign for the email marketing. These are the platforms that I use, and in this workshop I'm gonna be showing you the steps, the precise building opportunities and special tricks and techniques which I am using, and also some other empowering things which I am not gonna be able to mention right now because they will be appearing on the go, because I want you to bloom. I want you to be sharing your gifts. I want you to understand that you are the offering. You are the person your clients and customers and students come to, and this is the main reason why you should be creating. So I'm waiting for you on my workshop. Please send me a message if you have any questions, and I will be happy to connect with you. Lots of love.